And now students, the next part is the zeros of the polynomial. Now what's the zeros of a polynomial? Before moving on to zeros of a polynomial, let us move on to finding out the value of a polynomial. The value of a polynomial at say x is equal to 1. Say if I am having a polynomial, let me take an example of a polynomial, say a polynomial px I have taken, which is 4x square plus 3x plus 5. So this is a polynomial and I need to find out the value of the polynomial at x equal to 1. So I'll do what? Simple. Wherever you are finding out x, just keep on putting the value of x as 1. So I will write it down as p1 is equal to 4 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 5. As simple as it can be. So 1 square is 1, 4 ones are 4, 3 into 1 3 plus 5. So this is 12. So P1 is what? P1 is 12. This is clear. So what does P1 signify? P1 signify means the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1. So this is how we find out the value of a polynomial. Now the point is that to find out the zero of a polynomial. Now what's the zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial means the value of x, that value of x by putting which you can say the value of the whole polynomial turns out to be what? 0. I am again saying zero of a polynomial is what? Basically what? Value of x for which the value of polynomial at that x becomes 0. The value of x. Now basically this is what we are by default we are considering that let us assume that the polynomials that we are considering is defined by p of x. So that means the polynomial is defined in terms of x. So that's not specifically that every time it would be x only. So the terms or the variable upon which you can say the whole polynomial is defined, that variable part may vary from question to question. So we are by default we are taking x, so it could be y, z, whatever it is. The value of x, or rather you can just simply write down variable over here instead of x. So value of the variable for which the value of the polynomial at that variable, or rather at that x, becomes 0. Now let me take for example I'm sorry. For example, if I am having p of x as 4x minus 3. Now this is 4x minus 3. So what I need to do, what? I need to find out the value of that x by putting which the value of this whole thing will comes out to be what? 0. So if I put, say, if I put 3 by 4, just check. If I put 3 by 4, they will say 4 into 3 by 4 minus 3. So 4 getting cancelled. So that is 3 minus 3. The answer is coming out to be 0. So that means this thing, this 3 by 4 is said to be what? 0 of the polynomial. Now how do we find out the 0 of the polynomial? That we will do later on. I will tell you how to find out the 0 of the polynomial. Or if you can understand it right now, it's quite simple. Just put this thing equal to 0, put this polynomial equal to 0 and find the value of x. The value of x will give you what? Basically what? The 0 of the polynomial. So right now I have taken it directly. So you can say the value of a polynomial at which value of the variable at which the polynomial will turn out to be 0. Now the most important point that we need to understand over here is that the degree of the polynomial, degree of a polynomial is equal to what? The 0 of the polynomial. This is a very important point that you need to understand. that the degree of a polynomial is equal to the zeros of the polynomial. That means if degree is 1, that means I am talking about linear polynomial. That means for a linear polynomial that will be only one zero of the polynomial. That's for sure, 100% that's for sure. That means the value of the polynomial, value of the variable at which the polynomial is getting out to be 0, that depends upon what? The degree of the polynomial. If the degree is 2, that means I am talking about quadratic polynomial. If degree is 2, then again the zeros of the polynomial would be 2. If degree is 3, then zeros of the polynomial will be 3, and so on. So the degree basically defines what? The zeros of a polynomial. Am I clear? So please pause the video to note it down.